So let's see.
I wouldn't. Nikita is a good player as well, and she's apparently a table tennis player. You can by the way she's holding the paddle.
I think we need to give the All-Stars a bit more credit. Keep giving them right now. Alright, maybe not.
Looking at Saiti right now, looks like she's under pressure. No, looks like she's too tight.
That was
A great finish by Namrata.
Starting problems, but they should be streamlined by now. So Saiti is serving now. The score at 0-0. The game just started off.
A good pick by Saiti. And a great finish by Namrata.
freebies to start off from both the teams, honestly. But I think it's just a matter of nerves and settle down very, very shortly.
Yeah, good finish by Namrata.
Game 2, goodness Thomas.
Namrata was paired up with Veda the past few times, but now I think the last match is Nikita who was paired up with Veda, but this is a new pairing as I'm seeing now. But yeah, so far they started off well. They started off 1-0, all stars.
A beautiful lead by Saiti.
Freebie yet again.
That ball was very, very smashable, but Saiti doing the right thing by letting it go.
Good game as well.
Nikita is actually doing a good job to keep the ball low, but I think Deepthi is a little tall and she's trying to take it. Yeah.
Good deep serve, but good return as well.
Yeah, good shot return. Made her move.
So far the Nandi team looking pretty chill.
Ah, great reflex by Saiti. And they are on the board. There you go.
Yeah, not a great shot to look at.
Not at all. I'll give the right homework for sure.
I think she was much more comfortable on the left side.
By the way, a great heads up. Congratulations to the Hyderabad Pickleball League for setting up a great space for the playoffs and the finals. Looking what? Oh, right where? Yeah, she just missed the smash.
And yeah, that's gone all the way out. I think she's trying to get the cameraman to give a good looking lead. The venue, great setup.
It's good to see that she smiled about it.
Yeah,
She's not on the weather.
a lot of buildings covering all of us.
Yeah.
Good place to be in.
All Stars quickly losing focus, but well, let's hope they get it back.
Yeah, Nandi charging through. 4-1. I just played a beautiful couple of times. Oh, there you go. Nikita finishes out.
I think. I just don't think they should be making it.
I think All Stars are told to be a bit more aggressive. So they're actually going for all the smashes and the shots. So if you're looking at the net game, there's definitely a lot more speed up, as well as them not looking to think.
Yep.
That's a beautiful return in the middle.
Miscommunication from all stars.
I think that's possibly the best return which you can do in doubles. Just put the ball dead in the middle.
That is not one of the best returns you'll see on a serve.
Saiti just showed her how to do, and then I think she just did how not to do. Saiti is actually playing intelligently.
She said, "Let's go twice so far." Other,
Right,
like you said it's gonna be more than 8. I'm gonna say it's gonna be less than 8. So far she said it twice.
The slower you play, the difficult it is for them to play.
What a return by Deepthi.
Oh, that's a good take by Nikita.
been talking all this while it had a nice working.
I think one of the easier games that the Chargers have played, and the counter's at 4 right now.
A good finish by Deepti. Not an easy ball, it was dipping down. She cleared it. Surprisingly, Saiti is actually holding her composure and not making any silly errors. An amazing point so far.
Beautiful shot.
Saiti picking up amazing balls.
Right
and
down the
then
middle, perfect height. Not easy to return at all.
He hit it really confidently and then it worked out. 5-3 serving.
So far, so good from the Chargers. Oh my god. What a serve. What a serve. Into the wild. Oh, my bad. Yo, shout out to Sid. 318 for the win. Yeah. An equal split of the crowd so far. I think the game so far so good, man. Pretty easy so far. DP is trying to make it harder for herself. Meanwhile, Saidi is like easy, and not so easy. Not yet.
Yeah, it was a great hit by Nikita in the last point, and I think pressure is on Nandi. If they do
I think it's fair to say that Rishabh's prediction is out of the window.
great hit by Namrata. And then you see it looks like pressure is climbing on the Chargers. They got 3 quick misses. Usually they're asking their captain for a timeout, but then she refuses again. I think it was a good time to take a timeout.
Saturday, we did that. There's a lot of gaps in the.
Saidi is like, calm the hell down, girl. Oh, a beautiful hit by Nikita.
Showing all our table tennis skills in one shot.
Actually, a really good shot.
Perfect grip. The sun setting down, a perfect light for Jennifer to go. And now we're all even, 7-7.
That's a good thing. Since I just said that 4-5 times out of the same. I'll be on. So far, my predictions are gone to drain. Nowhere near.
Errors from this game on the Chargers. It should be a pretty easy game. On paper, at least.
There's a lot of nervous movement there in terms of them pushing towards the net. Nikita has actually looked good.
Oh, yeah.
She's picked up the ball well, she's defended well, she's smashed it well as well. Now we're doing the side change because the score is at 8.
As we come to the territory of the playoffs, crowds in the momos are improving. But yeah, surprisingly close, man, so far.
Storytelling, where the body sunglasses from. And
Nikita was like, do they work with DT as well? somewhere Harsh trying to hype up the crowd.
Yeah.
Doing a tremendous job.
Harsh is excellent at it. So Saith is serving now. The score 8-7. Second serve.
Wow.
This match, and right when I said it, should be nice.
Everything from the stance.
The City All-Stars actually slowly, silently getting their points, but
That looked sketchy. Apparently not.
Nandi making it difficult for themselves. Fantastic
Really
defense.
expected Sai to finish off the point a long time ago. But great defense from Nikita and Namita.
I'm a bit nervous right now. Really upset.
That was an amazing point by Nikita, especially. She retrieved anything and everything, which was yeah.
I don't think they expected
Yeah, kudos to All Stars. They are showing up and playing really well. I think none of us expected it to be a close match. Ah, great ding. Yeah, shout out to Pickleball Unplugged for predicting anything and everything about the league.
Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from the great Sid and out there.
Good point. They're slowing it down. I think it's the basic norm in women's doubles that the slower you hit, the better it is.
Navya's warned us right now saying that announcer
I think we've been reminded once more to say that there's 3 DRSs per battle and 3 DRSs for the overall booster and not one match. 3 unsuccessful. Meanwhile, the owner coming down to the field for some key advice for the players. I wonder what they're saying. What do you think they're saying there in the Chargers and All-Star figure? Next in Malo. Yes. Really? Yeah, that was the one I missed out. Not being loud. Not being very, very loud. As you can hear, the owners hyping up the players. Once again.
This game was 15. This will be a 15.
ball seems out. The ball seems fairly out. It looked out.
Yeah, it did look out. Saitha looking at
It was a wild swipe.
the owner, also her brother Anirudh. Was it out or not? I'm saying yes, it was out.
Good decision. In hindsight.
Looks like the timeout didn't work out.
Completely and finally.
Yeah, look,
Transforming the driving seat right now.
Saidi literally charging like a bull, taking her team to victory and getting it 1-1. Now it looks like this was going to go on. Like you said, 15-9, right?
I said 15-8.
You missed it by.
Yeah.
So far, it looks like you'll.
I think they're a bit too excited to see their own players. Slowly but steadily, Chargers
The Nandi crowd is all hyping them up.
marching towards victory. What do you think, Sid?
49. Tough question for me, Abhay. But yeah, now
Points to Gryffindor, Sid. Congratulations on being so far.
yeah, I'd like to be. So
Have these life lessons from Tejas.
must have that.
Just the way everything's going post the timeout. I don't think the timeout worked in their favor at all.
So surprising, the first game ended. Guess not.
That was the 7th, let's go. So very, very close. It's exactly at 8.
So with the Nandi Chargers have won the second game, the women's doubles. We've had Saiti shout, let's go 8 times this game.
Effectively cancelled.